Part 2. So, when it comes to trend lines, you have two different options. You can either go straight through the middle and hope you got them all, try to zoom out, and then do a line that way and kind of see. But if you notice, that's not exactly going through as many as I possibly can. So I'm actually going to highlight this, that way you can see the dots as well. Because the other thing I want to do is I want to go through as many dots as I possibly can. Now, this is only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is great, right? But the problem is, see how all of my line is below this? That means this is not a good trend line. Even though I want it to be, it's not. So what I'm going to do again, same thing, but this time I'm going to change my curvature a little bit. Just a hair. And this time I want to try to go through the center of all my dots. Now by doing this, now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I could probably tone it down just a hair, but I also want to make sure that I do have a straight line. Your binder, piece of paper, anything like that does work. Whoop. I'm trying to erase it while I'm drawing it. As you can see, got a little wonky on my last part. That's because my source is not 100%. So I want to go through the center as much as possible. Now I'm going to erase out my other lines that are not as 100% straight. Now from here, what I want to do is I want to answer my question. So it says, what if they gamed, and it'd be helpful if that was in highlight, what if they gamed for 120 minutes? So I'm going to go up to my 120, and I notice I'm right on my line, and I'm going to go over. Now, my line could have come down just a hair, but regardless, I still want to hit through that center because I want to make sure that I have about the same amount on each side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. I got roughly 4 because my line probably would have hit right in between these two or come as close to it as possible. Because if there would have been another dot up here, this would have made a little bit more sense with the fact that this one is in the middle. Now, the reason why I started here was because it's talking about quiz grades. Your line could have actually started here. You want to go through. So like if I have dots like this, I want to go through the exact center as much as possible. Now, if you need to, darken your line in the middle a little bit. And then look for where is it meatiest and is my trend line hitting about there. And then pick the one that's closest. So I'm in between 40 and 60 on this one, which is why your answer was B.